My teacher has given me an assignment in Scribble to write a paper and outline and research. Um, there's two ways I can tell that I have an assignment in Scribble. So number one is in the classroom. I can click on assignments and I can see current assignment is an editorial. It's due in a month. The other way I can tell is when my teacher makes an assignment, a new library will pop up in my Libraries tab. So I can click on this library. It says Allen's English 9 Editorial. And this library is really important because everything I put in that library, my teacher will be able to see. So this assignment will have requirements on it for how many sources I need to have, and recommended sources, and then it will show my teacher how many sources I have and how many annotations I've done on those sources. So I can put all those sources into this library, and either I'm doing that on my own, or maybe my class has created research libraries already. So maybe I'm working with this texting while driving topic, and let's say I want this source. I can copy it over into my new library, and now that'll be in my library, and I can annotate it, and it will show my teacher all the annotations. It'll also show that I have a source inside that library when my teacher checks. Across the top, there's some cool things. So I can go and click on all my annotations that have been done. And some of these annotations were done by another student, but I can also do annotations. I can also start creating an outline over here. So I can start dragging and dropping sources into the outline, and I can start outlining and putting some points as to what I would like to do. And then it will also create a paper in my Google Drive account that I can use to start writing. I can open this up and start changing some things, change the heading on here, and you could also just go and start your own paper if you wanted to. But it's really a neat tool to use, because then my teacher can see all of my annotations. They can see I can use this outline tool and drag the texts in. I can even drag quotes into my outline. I can start my paper in here, and everything can be seen by my teacher during the process.